Surah Sabah, Sheba. This surah is Meccan, containing 6 sections and 54 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله الذي له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وله الحمد في الآخرة وهو الحكيم الخبير.
All praise is for Allah, to whom belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth, and for Him alone is praise in the hereafter. He is the most wise, the most aware.
يعلم ما يلج في الأرض وما يخرج منها وما ينزل من السماء وما يعرج فيها وهو الرحيم الغفور.
He knows that which enters the earth and that which comes forth from it, and that which descends from the sky and that which ascends therein. He is the most merciful, the most forgiving.
وقال الذين كفروا لا تأتينا الساعة قل بلى وربي لتأتينكم عالم الغيب لا يعزب عنه مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين.
And the disbelievers said, the hour will not come upon us. Say, why not? By my Lord, the knower of the unseen, it will most definitely come to you. Not even an atom's equivalent is concealed from Him in the heavens and the earth. And there is nothing smaller than that, nor greater, except it is mentioned in an illuminating book.
ليجزي الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم.
That He may reward the people who embrace faith and do righteous deeds. For them there is forgiveness and sustenance of honor.
والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك لهم عذاب من رجز أليم.
And those who strive against our verses seeking to prevail, for them there is severe punishment from painful torment.
ويرى الذين أوتوا العلم الذي أنزل إليك من ربك هو الحق ويهدي إلى صراط العزيز الحميد.
And those who are endowed with knowledge consider that which was revealed to you from your Lord to be the truth. It guides to the way of the most exalted, the most praiseworthy.
وقال الذين كفروا هل ندلكم على رجل ينبئكم إذا مزقتم كل ممزق إنكم لفي خلق جديد.
And the disbelievers said, shall we tell you of a man who will relate to you that when you become scattered dust you will be created in a new form?
أفترى على الله كذبا أم به جنة بل الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة في العذاب والضلال البعيد.
Has he ascribed a lie to Allah, or is he insane? Rather, those who do not believe in the hereafter are in punishment and extreme misguidance.
أفلم يروا إلى ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم من السماء والأرض إن نشأ نخسف بهم الأرض أو نسقط عليهم كسفا من السماء إن في ذلك لآية لكل عبد منيب.
Did they not see that which is before them and that which is behind them of the sky and the earth? If we want, we can cause the earth to consume them or a part of the sky to fall upon them. Certainly, in this is a sign for every individual who returns to Allah.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا دَاوُودَ مِنَّا فَضْلًا يَا جِبَالُ أَوِّبِي مَعَهُ والطير وَأَلَنَّا لَهُ الْحَدِيدَ.
We granted Dawood grace from us, saying, O mountains and birds, return with him to Allah, and we made iron soft for him.
أن اعمل سابغات وقدر في السرد واعملوا صالحا إني بما تعملون بصير.
Make full chain mail coats and precisely measure the rings, and do righteous deeds, all of you. Verily, I see all that you do.
ولسليمان الريح غدوها شهر ورواحها شهر وأسلنا له عين القطر ومن الجن من يعمل بين يديه بإذن ربه ومن يزغ منهم عن أمرنا نذقه من عذاب السعير.
And the wind was for Suleiman, its course by morning a month's journey, and its course by evening a month's journey. We caused a spring of molten copper to flow for him. Some among the jinn who worked before him with the command of his Lord, and whosoever from among them turns away from our command, we shall make him taste the punishment of the blazing fire.
يعملون له ما يشاء من محاريب وتماثيل وجفان كالجواب وقدور الراسيات اعملوا آل داود شكرا وقليل من عبادي الشكور.
They made for him whatever he desired, towering palaces, images, and bowls like large watering troughs and fixed cauldrons. We commanded, O family of Dawood, express gratitude, and few among my people are grateful.
فلما قضينا عليه الموت ما دلهم على موته إلا دابة الأرض تأكل من سأته فلما خر تبينت الجن أن لو كانوا يعلمون الغيب ما لبثوا في العذاب المهين.
So when we decreed death for him, i.e. Suleiman, nothing informed them the jinns of his death except a termite, which was eating his staff. So when he came to the ground, the jinns realized that if they had known the unseen, they would not have remained in humiliating punishment.
لقد كان لسبإ في مسكنهم آية جنتان عن يمين وشمال كلوا من رزق ربكم واشكروا له بلدة طيبة ورب غفور.
There was certainly a sign for the nation of Sabah, i.e. Sheba, in their residence, 2 orchards on the right and the left. Eat from the sustenance of your Lord and express gratitude to him, a pure land and a most forgiving Lord.
فأعرضوا فأرسلنا عليهم سيل العرم وبدلناهم بجنتيهم جنتين ذواتي أكل خمط وأكل وشيء من سدر قليل.
But they turned away, so we sent the flood upon them and replaced their 2 orchards with 2 other orchards of bitter fruit, tamarisk, and a few thorny trees.
ذلك جزيناهم بما كفروا وهل نجازي إلا الكفور.
We recompensed them with this due to their ungratefulness, and we only punished the ungrateful.
وجعلنا بينهم وبين القرى التي باركنا فيها قرى ظاهرة وقدرنا فيها السير سيروا فيها ليالي وأياما آمنين.
And we made many prominent villages between them, i.e. the people of Sabah and the cities which we had blessed, and we facilitated travel therein. Travel safely therein by night and by day.
فقالوا ربنا باعد بين أسفارنا وظلموا أنفسهم فجعلناهم أحاديث ومزقناهم كل ممزق إن في ذلك لآيات لكل صبار شكور.
So they said, O our Lord, make our journeys distant. And they wronged themselves. So we made them tales of the past and completely scattered them. Surely in this are signs for every exceptionally patient, most grateful individual.
ولقد صدق عليهم إبليس ظنه فاتبعوه إلا فريقا من المؤمنين.
And Iblis certainly made his assumption come true regarding them, so they followed him except a group of believers.
وما كان له عليهم من سلطان إلا لنعلم من يؤمن بالآخرة ممن هو منها في شك وربك على كل شيء حفيظ.
And he had no control over them, except due to this, that we reveal who believes in the hereafter and who is in doubt concerning it. Your Lord is a guardian over everything.
قل ادعوا الذين زعمتم من دون الله لا يملكون مثقال ذرة في السماوات ولا في الأرض وما لهم فيهما من شرك وما له منهم من ظهير.
Say, call upon those whom you consider gods other than Allah. They do not even own an atom's weight in the heavens and in the earth, and they have no share in either, and He has no helper among them.
ولا تنفع الشفاعة عنده إلا لمن أذن له حتى إذا فزع عن قلوبهم قالوا ماذا قال ربكم قالوا الحق وهو العلي الكبير.
An intercession will not benefit in his court except for him whom he permits, until when their hearts are alleviated from terror, they say to one another, "What has your Lord said?" They say, "The truth, and he is the Most High, the Most Great."
قل من يرزقكم من السماوات والأرض قل الله وإنا أو إياكم لعلى هدى أو في ضلال مبين.
Say, who provides you sustenance from the heavens and the earth? Say, Allah. Indeed, either we or you are upon guidance or in clear misguidance.
قل لا تسألون عما أجرمنا ولا نسأل عما تعملون.
Say, if we have wronged in your opinion, you will not be questioned about it, and we will not be questioned about your deeds.
قل يجمع بيننا ربنا ثم يفتح بيننا بالحق وهو الفتاح العليم.
Say, our Lord will gather us, then decide between us with the truth. He is the best of judges, the all-knowing.
قل أروني الذين ألحقتم به شركاء كلا بل هو الله العزيز الحكيم.
Say, show me those whom you have ascribed to him as partners. Never. Rather, he is Allah, the most exalted, the most wise.
وما أرسلناك إلا كافة للناس بشيرا ونذيرا ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Dear beloved Prophet, we sent you as a bearer of glad tidings and a warner for all people. However, most people do not know.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come to pass if you are truthful?
قل لكم ميعاد يوم لا تستأخرون عنه ساعة ولا تستقدمون.
Say, for you is the promise of a day which you can neither defer by a moment nor hasten.
وقال الذين كفروا لن نؤمن بهذا القرآن ولا بالذي بين يديه ولو ترى إذ الظالمون موقوفون عند ربهم يرجع بعضهم إلى بعض القول يقول الذين استضعفوا للذين استكبروا لولا أنتم لكنا مؤمنين.
And the disbelievers said, we will certainly not believe in this Quran nor that which was revealed before it. If you could see when the oppressors will be made to stand in the court of their Lord, some of them will divert blame onto others. Those who had been compelled will say to those who had assumed authority, had it not been for you, we would certainly have been believers.
قال الذين استكبروا للذين استضعفوا أنحن صددناكم عن الهدى بعد إذ جاءكم بل كنتم مجرمين.
Those who had assumed authority will say to those who had been compelled, did we prevent you from guidance after it came to you? Rather, you were wrongdoers.
وقال الذين استضعفوا للذين استكبروا بل مكر الليل والنهار إذ تأمروننا أن نكفر بالله ونجعل له أندادا وأسروا الندامة لما رأوا العذاب وجعلنا الأغلال في أعناق الذين كفروا هل يجزون إلا ما كانوا يعملون.
Those who had been compelled will say to those who had assumed authority, rather your conspiring by night and day prevented us when you would command us to deny Allah and ascribe equals to Him. They will have inner remorse when they will see the punishment, and we shall place shackles around the necks of the disbelievers. They will only be recompensed for their deeds.
وما أرسلنا في قرية من نذير إلا قال مترفوها إنا بما أرسلتم به كافرون.
And we did not send a warner to a city except its affluent folk said, we deny that with which you have been sent.
وقالوا نحن أكثر أموالا وأولادا وما نحن بمعذبين.
And they said, we are greater in wealth and offspring. We will not be punished.
قل إن ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
Say, my Lord increases sustenance for whomsoever He wills from His people, and He lessens too. However, most people do not know.
وما أموالكم ولا أولادكم بالتي تقربكم عندنا زلفى إلا من آمن وعمل صالحا فأولئك لهم جزاء الضعف بما عملوا وهم في الغرفات آمنون.
And it is neither your wealth nor your children that bring you closer to us, except he who embraced faith and did righteous deeds. For them there is multiplied reward for their deeds, and they will be in heavenly chambers, safe and sound.
والذين يسعون في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك في العذاب محضرون.
And those who strive against our verses, seeking to prevail, they will be brought to punishment.
قل إن ربي يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له وما أنفقتم من شيء فهو يخلفه وهو خير الرازقين.
Say, my Lord increases sustenance for whomsoever he wills from his people, and he lessens for whomsoever he wills. Whatever you spend in the way of Allah, he will give more in return. He is the best of providers.
ويوم يحشرهم جميعا ثم يقول للملائكة أهؤلاء إياكم كانوا يعبدون.
And the day he will gather them all, then he will say to the angels, did these people worship you?
قالوا سبحانك أنت ولينا من دونهم بل كانوا يعبدون الجن أكثرهم بهم مؤمنون.
They will say, you are pure, you are our guardian, not them. Rather they were worshipping jinn. Most of them believed in them, jinn.
فاليوم لا يملك بعضكم لبعض نفعا ولا ضرا ونقول للذين ظلموا ذوقوا عذاب النار التي كنتم بها تكذبون.
So this day none of you will have the power to benefit or harm another, and we shall say to the oppressors, taste the punishment of the fire which you used to deny.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ قَالُوا مَا هَذَا إِلَّا رَجُلٌ يُرِيدُ أَن يَصُدَّكُمْ عَمَّا كَانَ يَعْبُدُ آبَاؤُكُمْ وقالوا ما هذا إلا إفك مفترى وقال الذين كفروا للحق لما جاءهم إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
And when our clear verses are recited to them, they say, this is only a man who intends to stop you from that which your forefathers used to worship. And they said, this Quran is only fabricated slander. And the disbelievers said regarding the truth when it came to them, this is only clear sorcery.
وما آتيناهم من كتب يدرسونها وما أرسلنا إليهم قبلك من نذير.
And we did not give them books which they may read, and we did not send a warner to them before you.
وكذب الذين من قبلهم وما بلغوا معشار ما آتيناهم فكذبوا رسلي فكيف كان نكير.
Those who preceded them denied too, and these people have not even reached a tenth of that which we had granted them. Then they denied my messengers. So how was my rejection of them?
قل إنما أعظكم بواحدة أن تقوموا لله مثنى وفرادا ثم تتفكروا ما بصاحبكم من جنة إن هو إلا نذير لكم بين يدي عذاب شديد.
Say, I advise you one thing only, that you stand for Allah in twos and individually, then contemplate. Your companion is not insane. He is just a warner for you before a severe punishment.
قل ما سألتكم من أجر فهو لكم إن أجري إلا على الله وهو على كل شيء شهيد.
Say, if I have asked you for any reward, it is yours. My reward is only with Allah, and He is a witness over everything.
قل إن ربي يقذف بالحق علام الغيوب.
Say, indeed my Lord reveals the truth, the knower of all concealed things.
قل جاء الحق وما يبدئ الباطل وما يعيد.
Say, the truth came and no trace of falsehood remains, nor does it return.
قل إن ضللت فإنما أضل على نفسي وإن اهتديت فبما يوحي إلي ربي إنه سميع قريب.
Say, if I stray, I will only stray against myself, and if I attain guidance, it will be through that which my Lord reveals to me. Certainly, He is all-hearing, near.
ولو ترى إذ فزعوا فلا فوت وأخذوا من مكان قريب.
And if you could somehow see when they will be terrified, then there will be no escape, and they will be seized from a nearby place.
وقالوا آمنا به وأنى لهم التناوش من مكان بعيد.
And after seeing punishment, they will say, we believe in it. And how can they attain faith from a distant place?
وقد كفروا به من قبل ويقذفون بالغيب من مكان بعيد.
And yet they had disbelieved in it previously, and they would cast assumptions from a distant place without even seeing.
وحيل بينهم وبين ما يشتهون كما فعل بأشياعهم من قبل إنهم كانوا في شك مريب.
And a barrier was placed between them and what they desired, just as it was done with their previous groups. They were in deceptive doubt.